Hi everyone, my name is Rahul Suresh Jogdan. My seminar topic is synthesis of some metal nanoparticles and its antimicrobial study. Introduction. Nanoparticle research is a facing branch of science. The strongly science-related properties of nanoparticles offer uncountable opportunity for surprising discovery. The often expected and unprecedented behavior of nanoparticle bears great potential for innovative technological application, but also poses great challenge to the scientists. They have to develop highly controllable synthesis approach, more sensitivity characterization tools, and finally new model and theories. To explain experimental observation, research interest in nanomaterial has increased exponentially thanks to their unique chemical and physical features, different of those of their bulk material, including but not limited to diffusivity, electrical resistivity, electrical conductivity, strength, and hardness, chemical reactivity, and diverse any versatile biological activity. Interest has especially increased in the case of metal oxide nanoparticle because the particles are widely used in industrial catalyst, chemical sensing device, in medical application, disinfection, and as antimicrobial fillers, catalyst, semiconductor, and they are also useful in the development of cosmetic microelectronics. One of the most important parameters in the synthesis of those nanoparticles is the control of particle size, morphology, and crystallinity. And in order to achieve this goal, different synthesis methods were developed. Some ablation, the electrochemical method, chemical precipitation, and surfactant based technique. Zinc oxide with the unique physical and chemical property such a high chemical stability, high electrochemical coupling coefficient, broad range of radiation absorption, and high photostability in multifunctional material. Literature survey. Metals such as copper and silver have been used in various forms as antimicrobial for thousands of years with until recently little understanding of their mode of action. The discovery of antibiotics and new organic antimicrobial compounds during the 20th century saw a general decline in the clinical use of antimicrobial metal compound with the expansion of the radio discover of the use of silver for burn treatment and niche use for other metal compounds. Nanoparticle technology is rapidly advancing and is used for a wide range of applications in medicine. The potential of metal nanoparticle as antimicrobial agent is widely studied and is considered as an alternative approach to the overcome the challenges posed by the multi-drug resistance in bacteria. This review discussed novel approach to nanoparticle synthesis, including green synthesis and the antimicrobial spectrum of nanoparticle approach for enhancing antimicrobial potential of nanoparticles by surface modification and its potential as a vehicle for antibiotic delivery as also explored. Zinc oxide, silver, copper oxide, and titanium oxide nanoparticles were synthesized using simple chemical route which were characterized using scanning electron microscope, TEM, particle size analyzer, and Raman spectroscopy. Size of zinc oxide, silver, copper oxide, and titanium oxide. Nanoparticle measured 16 to 15 nanometer, 16 to 115 nanometer, 100 to 120 nanometer respectively. To confirm the nano size, need and significance of the research work. Metal nanoparticles are used as industrial catalysts, chemical sensing devices in medical application, disinfection and antimicrobial fillers, catalysts, semiconductors, and they are also useful in the development of cosmetic and microelectronics. The emerging infection disease and the development of drug resistance in the pathogenic bacteria and fungi at an alarming rate is a matter of serious concern. Despite the increased knowledge of microbial pathogenesis and application of modern therapeutics, the morbidity and mortality associated with the microbial infection still remain high. Therefore, there is a pressing demand to discover novel, stating and identify new antimicrobial agents for natural and inorganic substance to develop the next generation to drugs or agents to control microbial infection. Aims and objective of the purpose is such work. Sol-gel procedure is a preferred due to its economical feasibility and the low temperature process give us control over the composition of the product, achieved minimize of hazardous chemical, green synthesis of some metal nanoparticles by Sol-gel method. Characterization of some metal oxide nanoparticles are UV, FTIR, XRD, SEM, AFM, etc. Study of the synthesized zinc oxide nanoparticles and its antimicrobial activity against few common pathogens. Methodology. Prepared of some metal nanoparticles or silver, zinc oxide, copper, titanium by Sol-gel and co-precipitation method. Characterization using FT, IR, XRD, AFM, SEM, UV, visible spectrometer, TGA. Study of antimicrobial activity agent, a few common pathogen. Thank you.